Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Art Simplified. Before we start the activity, I would like to wish you all a very happy Pongal, Pongal Valtukal. Okay, so today's art activity is very interesting. You know, art has got numerous mediums. Okay, we have explored with paint, watercolors, acrylic paint, play-doh, soap bubbles. So, you know, we have explored so many art mediums. Today we are going to do food art. Okay, we are going to do a simple art using vegetables, cut vegetables. Children are already familiar with cutting vegetables, so it's easy for them. And don't forget, after the artwork, please offer them to eat also. Whatever we are doing, they can eat it also. Okay, so the materials needed are just basic veggies, vegetables, whatever is available at home. See, I have cut and kept tomato, cucumber, onions, then yeah, some onion rings, shredded cabbage, carrots again, and some curry leaves. And this is up to you. Okay, there is no strict hard and fast rules. Anything you find will add to the beauty of your artwork. You can add any vegetable, common vegetables. Okay, okay, we'll start now. So I'll start with a very simple art. Okay, I'm using cucumber first. I've cut it into half. I have diced it and then made it half. So I'm going to make some flowers out of this. So ask the child, see there's a small piece of tomato here. You can show once to keep it like this. And then let them keep it like that. Okay, just show them once. Tell them what you are going to do. And then you can show them once and let them keep it. You are going to make flowers. To save time, I have already cut and kept the veggies. Okay. Then for the stem, you can use curry leaves, coriander leaves, whatever. That's up to your imagination. I'm just keeping a curry leaf here. And then one more this side. You can adjust the flower position, like small adjustments you have to do. Okay, depending on the shape of the curry leaf stem. Okay, maybe you can keep tomato here. See, this already we have made a flower. Okay, now what we'll do is We'll just make a small butterfly. I've cut some onion rings here. You need not plan ahead. You just cut some veggies, and while doing, you will get ideas. When you can ask the child what he would like to do, and then you can change accordingly. This is a small butterfly I'm making using green chili and onion rings. Okay, this is the first thing. And one more thing we can add, some shredded cabbage, just to give it a natural look. Okay, see, it finished in just 5 minutes. If the plate is bigger, it will be easy. See, this is the flower and the butterfly we made. Okay, and now I'm going to make a simple rangoli using veggies. So this is even more easier. Maybe you can start with the onion. And just arrange it in a circular shape. So keep 2 or 3, then ask the child to keep the remaining. So this is the basic salad decoration we make for gatherings and all. See, this is made a simple design. And now you can use cucumber. In between, you can use carrots. Whatever available, you can mix and match. Okay. So it keeps going. It keeps growing. And what else do we have? Maybe some onion rings. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So we have done two artworks today. One is a flower and the other one is a simple rangoli using vegetables. You can call this a salad decoration, food art, or just a rangoli with veggies. I've just given you an idea. You can vary it using your creativity and your imagination. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.